human error. Warm, fast-paced, energetic. The choreography expands globally. The sequence has started, and no one can stop it.
This is not de-escalation. It is structured preparation. Look closely at the sequence. First, the call between Donald Trump and Narendra Modi. This was not just a routine diplomatic exchange. It sets the external axis, a signal that strategic alignment is being discussed at the highest level. Then comes the all-party conference inside India. This is not politics as usual. This is consolidation. Creating internal consensus, removing resistance, preparing the political ground before any decisive move. At the same time, we see symbolic actions, ritual visits, religious preparation. These are not random. They shape mindset. They prepare both leadership and public psychology for what may follow. Now comes the critical layer, the so-called pause in Sandor. But pauses in strategy are rarely about stopping. They are about recalibrating, repositioning, creating space to integrate capability. And in the background, the presence of Israeli elements. Not noise, not coincidence, but a potential force multiplier. Enhancing precision, enhancing intelligence, enhancing speed. When all these elements converge, diplomatic signaling, political consensus, cultural mobilization, operational pause, and external technical support. This is not a cooling down phase. This is alignment, a structured environment where every piece is being set into place. And in such an environment, escalation is not immediate. But it is no longer unlikely. It becomes a question of timing, not possibility. Watch the signals, watch the sequence. Because what appears calm may simply be preparation before the next move.